You will have received an email from support@schoolgenies.co.uk containing all the installation instructions and your license code. We're now going to go through the process that is outlined in the email and show you step by step how to get started. The first thing you need to do is to download the latest Genie and the Sims report definitions. So if we click on the link in the email, it will take us to the download page on the School Genie website, where we can click to download each of the files. Just a simple click, download and save them to your computer. The next item on the email tells you what to do with the reports that you need to load into Sims. So let's close the email down and we'll go to our downloads folder where we can see the two files that we've downloaded. We need to make a new folder on your disk drive. I'm just going to do it in here, but obviously it will be wherever you want to place it. So we'll make a new folder called Pastoral Genie. And the downloads, I'm going to move from the downloads folder into that folder. That's going to be its home. The report definitions, you cannot open them. They can only be used in Sims. So we're going to go into Sims now and go through the import process. Into Sims, log in the normal manner, go up to reports and then import. That opens a box where you can click open and navigate to that new folder that you've made that contains your reports. And select it. Within that one file in your Genie folder, there are 5 separate reports. Once they all appear, make sure there's a tick in each box. It does it by default and that any templates come with it, and click the import button. Once they say imported, that's it. You can close the dialog and you don't need to use Sims anymore. It will run completely independent. So the next item is how to set up the Genie. So we've got everything downloaded. The next thing we need to do is open up the Genie itself. So we'll double click to open. If you do get prompted to enable editing or enable content, please make sure you do that. If your macro settings aren't enabled, then the Genie won't work. Okay, so here we are. As you can see, straight away you receive a pop-up that asks you to enter the information. Now, the very first item on the pop-up is asking you whether or not you have a Sims trusted login. This means if you have a trusted login, it means you never have to enter your username or password when you log into Sims. It means that you just click the icon in the normal manner, in your normal way of working, and it logs in for you. If that doesn't happen and that you have to enter your username and password, leave that unticked. The only time that needs to be ticked is if your Windows machine detects your login and logs in for you. So most people would probably be leaving that unticked. So the next item is to enter your SQL Server name. That is contained in the email, and we are going to copy and paste it directly from the email. So there's our Sims server name. We're going to highlight the text, copy, and paste it into the box. And we're going to do the same thing for the database name, school name, and the DFE number. Obviously, these items are for test purposes only. It will contain all of your own information. After the top boxes are complete, click Update Settings, and that activates the box at the bottom into which you can enter your license code. And again, we're going to copy and paste that straight from the email. Select the whole license code, enter into the box, click Validate License, and it will come up with a green line of code telling you when your license will expire. Once all those boxes are completed, click Save and Close, and you're ready to go.